Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Here we have a IEEE paper, a blockchain based access control framework with privacy protection in cloud. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Technology: Java and J2EE. J2EE as well as known as Advanced Java Concepts, which includes JDBC, Servlet and JSP. Tomcat. Apache Tomcat, also known as Tomcat Server, proves to be a popular choice for web developers building and maintaining dynamic websites and applications based on the Java software platform. Eclipse. Eclipse is used to develop web applications. MySQL. MySQL is a database which is used to store the data and to perform CRUD operations. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources are tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost saving, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance and security. Main aim of this paper is to propose a blockchain-based access control framework with privacy protection called Privacy Chain in personal users record sharing scheme with data integrity verifiable based on a blockchain. Aiming at the problems of privacy disclosure, the new scheme encryption and attribute-based encryption techniques to achieve privacy protection and provide fine-grained access control. Introduction. Cloud computing as a new computing model will offer standardized access to customers, reduce the cost of storing and accessing customers, and increase customers' comfort so that more and more enterprises and people want to store data in the cloud. However, with the growth of cloud computing and expansion of cloud computing, fog computing and edge computing have also steadily increased. Cloud protection concerns have become a significant limiting factor in cloud computing. Problem statement. Standardization of issue lists in the healthcare sector is required to allow for more effective sharing of information between health providers and in particular patients, or especially to the users. Paper-based systems do not function in electronic environment, and certain types of problem list plannings such as self-population of lists, reflection series issues regarding enforcement and consumer protection. Existing system. The customer may lose control of specific user data in the existing framework, while the service provider typically retains primary stewardship. User access rights to the cloud are very limited, and users are usually unable to exchange these data freely with researchers or providers. Proposed system. We have cloud, DO, DU and blockchain. We propose Privacy Chain, a blockchain-based access control framework with privacy protection in cloud. This section contains the system model, initialization, access control, authorization and revocation. The system model is shown in figure, which is considered of four entities: cloud, blockchain, DO and DU. First one is cloud. It provides authentication and data storage for users. Cloud determines access rights of DU or DO by blockchain. Blockchain. It is a open, transparent, tamper-proof and irreversible and the same as the distributed database. We use it as an authorization policy database for access control. DeVo. DeVo uploads the resources to cloud and publishes the resources access rights to blockchain. DU. DU can access the resources if he has permission from cloud. To handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to call this number. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notification. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.